Alright, guys. I don't know what the hell happened there, guys. But we're back. We're back. We're back, guys. We're back. I don't know what happened there. I don't know what happened there. I apologize. Guys, I'm not sure what happened there, guys. I'm not sure what happened there. Guys, also just a reminder, guys, just a reminder here, if we ever go down on Instagram, go to TikTok and go to YouTube, guys. TikTok and YouTube will have my streams at Zach Austin Trades, guys. They will have my streams. Guys, remember, guys, just so you guys know, if my Instagram ever goes down, guys, if it ever goes down, just know that I'll be on live on Instagram and on TikTok. Excuse me, and YouTube, Zach Austin Trades. How do I go live? It's with a, so for example, I use TikTok Studio, sky's the limit. TikTok Studio, you can only get unlocked if you have 10,000 followers. 10,000 followers. Lost on TikTok. Alright, guys, we're back now. Everything should be good, guys. Everything should be good. Again, guys, if you guys want to make sure you never miss anything, guys, do one of two things, guys. One of two things. One, if you're not already in the Stock Dads Discord, guys, click the link in the bio. Use code ZACH. ZACH. Get you a free month in the Discord, guys. And additionally, if you're not already in there, what's up, AFS? Sorry about that, guys. Sorry that I kind of cut us all off there, but Instagram went down. Sorry about that. If you're already in the Discord, guys, great. And make sure you're following me, guys, on Instagram and YouTube and TikTok. The handle across all of them, Zach Austin Trades. That way you guys will never have to miss anything, guys. YM is now pretty weak, guys. The Dow is pretty, excuse me, the RTY is a little weak. NQ and ES are holding in there. What's up, Skibum? Again, guys, for those that are just tuning in now, guys, I appreciate everybody tuning in, supporting, guys. What we're doing right now is we're trading live futures, guys. We are trading live futures on the Tradify platform. Tradify platform. And make sure you guys are using code STOCKDADS for that 40% off, guys. STOCKDADS gives that 40% off. What's up, Pamela? No trades yet, guys. No trades yet today. No trades. I'm looking for setups, guys. I'm looking at ES here in particular, guys. Looking at ES in particular, guys. Do I look at stock suggestions? Yes, in the Discord, Skibum. So if you want to make sure you get those suggestions, DM me in the Discord. We can help you out. No trades just yet on futures, though, guys. No trades on futures. Alright, guys, let's see if we can get a trade. I kind of like shorts around this area, guys, truthfully, but we're a bit conflicted here. The 15 minutes looking valid, the 5 minute. I mean, it's with a short with a stop above there is not terrible. It's a little wide. ES is just chopping. YM, I mean, so far we're just kind of chopping. NQ got a little bit of a move up, but the rest across the board is not ideal. Not ideal. Again, this little area, I guess, was a good short. I didn't take it, but RTY, actually, excuse me, YM made a new low there. ES, guys, is just chopping around. There's really nothing. There's really nothing going on here. All right, guys, let me know if there's any questions, guys. Very range bound. Yes, it is. What about Oklo? How do you feel about pocket option? Not sure about that. I've never used Robinhood Legend as well. I'm not sure what pocket option is, guys. It's just really range bound right here. I want to see some type of conviction one way or another, guys. There's really nothing to do right now, right? Let me know if anybody has any questions on Instagram, guys. I'm trying to read all these chats, guys. Let me know if anybody has any questions at all. Yeah, guys, nothing's really moving, guys. I'm not forcing trades, guys. One thing I'm not doing is forcing trades. So far, ES is straight sideways. NQ, a little up. New to stocks, looking for a start. Milton. So I'm trading options and I'm trading futures. If you're new to stocks in general and you want to get going, the best thing you can do right now is join the Stock Dads Discord. The Stock Dads Discord, click the link in the bio and use code ZACH, Z-A-C-H. Excuse me, code ZACH, Z-A-C-H, gets you a first month free. Z-A-C-H, first free month in the Stock Dads Discord. Make sure you guys are clicking the link in the bio, guys. That is the best route to take, guys. That is the best route to take. Microsoft went nuts, did it? Oh, it did, wow. Not sure why. Interesting. NQ is at this upper level here, guys. Fred and Kevin, thank you guys for the follows. Appreciate you guys. So far, no trades, guys. I know we had a little disruption here in the stream. No trades so far yet, guys. I'll definitely make it very clear when I take a trade. I'll say it out loud, all that stuff. So we're kind of banging into this resistance zone still, guys, on NQ. I mean, it's really just flatlining across the board. I mean, excluding... Hold on. ES is just flatline. I mean, like, there's really... I mean, I would say I lean up, but there's still nothing decisive here, guys. There's nothing decisive yet, in my opinion. YM is just a slow bleed. RTY failed from above. NQ is kind of rejecting. ES is rejecting. You know, there's scalps to be had. Doing spot trading. I'm trading futures, yes. There are trades to be had, but... How long have you been trading futures? Do you stick to indices? So I trade the indices for the futures, yes. ES, NQ, RTY, the Dow. I've been trading futures for about a year. I'm pretty much exclusively just using firms right now. And I've withdrawn about 100,000 over the last year or so. So I started last July or August. I don't remember. I got my first payout in either September or October. And it's about 90,000 I've been able to withdraw so far. But at first, it took me a little bit to get going. I really didn't start making like decent money in it till like actually the beginning of this year, like January, February. I think my first couple withdrawals were like $500, $1,000, $1,500. I think last year in 2023, from like September to December, I withdrew probably under 10,000, and then this year it's been like 70, 80 plus or whatever. And again, guys, I'm trading on the Tradeify platform. Appreciate that, Kevin. Tradeify platform. It's on the screen right here. Straight to funded. No evaluation process, guys. No evaluation process at all. So if you guys want to make sure that you guys are, you know, kind of maximizing what you're doing, go for it. how do I read the graphs? It's not as easy as just explaining it. I wish I could. There's a lot that goes into it. I do go into it in a little bit more detail, guys, in the Discord. So again, if you're not already in the Discord, guys, if you're not already in the Discord, make sure you guys join the Discord. Click link in the bio. Use code ZACH, Z-A-C-H, for a first month free. NVIDIA thoughts for the week. It's at all-time highs. When you trade multiple accounts, what's the biggest thing in increasing your payouts? It's actually kind of counter, I guess, intuitive. The biggest thing is actually slowing down. Slowing down, because you're actually making more even though you're trading less in theory. Wow, huge pop there on NQES. I didn't see that. Sheesh. ES and Q both popping pretty hard here, guys. I definitely missed that. Am I group trading today? I will be at the end of the day. So we probably will start tomorrow, guys. Probably will start tomorrow, the group trading. Less size and trades for consistency. What about multiple accounts? It's the same rules for multiple accounts, guys. It's just about your personal preference as to how you're going to trade them, right? To your personal preference. Not sure what the Fed said. The group trading will start later today, guys, so probably be reflected tomorrow. Still nothing just yet, guys. I'm still just waiting here, guys. I don't know if the Fed said anything, did anything, but I mean, clearly, that's a ripper. I want to see how NQ reacts this area, guys. ES rejected the 15-minute. So this is why the EMAs are really important, guys. I was really debating taking this trade. I just decided not to. Look at how the ES rejected the 15-minute EMAs right here. See that? I was debating shorting there. That would have been an easy 5 points. I just decided to hold off. Let me know, guys, if anybody has any questions, guys. We're kind of in downtime. I apologize, it's been a bit slow. I mean, we just had a monstrous kind of pop there out of nowhere, but you know, besides that, it's been a pretty uneventful day so far. What are every point on NQ, guy. So every point is different. ES, for example, every point on ES $50. Every point on NQ is $20, right? So it's all different depending on what you're trading, guys. And again, guys, we're trading on the Tradeify platform. These are straight to funded accounts, meaning no evaluation process at all, guys. Because there's no evaluation process, you can start making money right away. These are going to be group traded in the future, guys, meaning that we don't have to, we can essentially, what's the word I'm looking for? We can essentially make more money without any more effort, guys. That's the beauty of the group trading. I actually think we can set an order long at right here on NQ for a scalp at 24.66. I'm going to wait for this 5-minute close, guys. I'm going to wait for this 5-minute close here. This 5-minute may flip. If so, if the 5-minute flips, I'd look for something like this for a long. So I'd probably look to long around 24.66s, 67s. You got it, Iceman. Again, guys, these are straight to funded accounts. There's no evaluation, guys. No evaluation here. So I don't have tips for passing the evaluation, unfortunately. I don't want to spend time and energy and money, you know, trying to do these evaluations. So. Let me know any other questions, guys, you guys have for me. Let me know. I'd like to see this for NQ, like I said, guys. This dip. I'd like to see that dip on NQ. 24.66s. We can use like about a 25-point stop or so. I want to see the dip on NQ. I want to see this. So basically what I want to see, guys, is I want to see this 5-minute candle close. I want to see the 5-minute EMAs flip, and then a small dip that we can then long on NQ. ES is a bit conflicted here. ES, RTY and the Dow both look kind of crap, so... Trying to short? I'm not trying to short it, no. I'm just looking for the pullback to long, personally, guys. Okay, let me know, guys, if anyone has any questions, guys. Any questions, feel free to let me know, guys. I do want to see a small little dip here. If we don't get the dip, then what I want to see is I want to see us break above the previous day high. If we look at NQ, guys, it's just really, really range bound, right? So we need to break some type of previous range, right? Weekly still an inside bar, so I don't really have tons of expectation today for a crazy move. But again, I always say allow the market to prove you wrong. Allow the market to prove you wrong, and then you can go from there. Amazon just about hit target. Dang. Microsoft did go crazy today. So the EMAs did flip. Let's see if we can get some type of bounce, maybe back down to like 24.85s or so. That type of bounce could be good. 15-minute just closed. I'm going to set one long order, guys, at 24.85. I'm going to go 5 micros long. Actually, I'm going to go 1 NQ. Just one full NQ. I'm setting the long at 24.85, guys, right there. So the order is set long there, guys. I'm going to use a 25-point stop loss, so I'm risking about $500 on this trade. So even if we just bounce back to these highs here, it's about 1-to-1. So that's what we're looking for, guys. We're looking at that dip to 24.85s, guys. Go Yankees, let's go Gonzalo, let's go. Trying to get to the chats, guys. Where the hell's my chat? There it is. The long is placed at 24.85, guys. 24.85. Roshan, thank you for the follow. 24.85, guys, with a 25-point stop loss. Risking $500 on this trade, guys. Risking $500. This may be changed depending, guys, on what happens here on this the next 1 or 2 candles. It may be changed, guys. So still nothing yet, guys. Still waiting here to see if we can get an entry. Yeah, ES did dip, yeah. Not necessarily NQ as much, but we'll see. If we can get that NQ dip. What we're kind of playing here, guys, is we're playing the 15-minute inside bar, hoping to catch the lows of the 15-minute bar, and then basically risking the highs. Sorry, hoping we catch the lows of the 15-minute bar in hopes of the rally back to the highs. That's what we're kind of hoping for here, guys. So again, the longest set at 24.85. So let's see if we can get a fill here. Wow. We missed it by 2 ticks. It's a bit unfortunate. Let's see if we can come back to it. Let's see. Let's see if we can come back and fill us, guys, at our 24.85 flat. Let's see. All right, guys, we were filled at 24.85 flat, guys, there. Let's see if we can get our little bounce up here, guys. If we can get an immediate bounce, I'll probably sell it. Again, oops. Oh, crap. I almost just placed an order to sell it. Okay, if we can get an immediate bounce up, guys, I'll probably sell it. Like, if we can immediately bounce up to, like, 95s, I'll just take the quick points. But ideally, the move back is up towards that 25.10 area. That's kind of what I'm looking for. And again, we're risking the bottom here. Cielago. Beaches. Costa Rica. I don't know why my Instagram keeps bugging out on me, but this is NQ, guys. Guys, if we get to like 95, guys, I'll just like take some profit here. Around like 95, we can get there. If we get to 95, guys, I'll just take some profit. All right, cool, guys. I took the profit there, 95. Nice. All right, guys. Well, we got a little quick bounce there. Quick little bounce there. secured 210 on the day, just to secure some profit. Mostly just because we almost got stopped out. I'm like, you know what, let me just exit this trade with it when I get some points. We can always look for another entry. So I got about 11 points there. I mean, nothing crazy, but, you know, because our stop was about 5 points from getting hit, at this point, it wasn't as clean as I would like it to be. If we look at the 15-minute, the 15-minute can still be valid, but I don't want to hold on, right? I don't want to hold on, so. And here's the thing, guys, what you have to realize is some people may say, oh, it's not the best risk to reward, whatever. But you have to realize this trade, in theory, wasn't per plan, right? It was a little bit more broken than we would have liked. So when the trade becomes broken, you could essentially just sell it at break even. But I said to myself, you know what, if we can get some points out of it, 10, 11 points, let me just take some points. So thanks, bro. Appreciate that. And guys, we actually did bounce directly off that 66 level, as I did mention. So the initial trade that I wanted to take was that trade, but we ended up going a little bit higher. So in theory, we could have potentially added some there. I actually did on my personal account. I just didn't want to go oversized here just yet because we're still in a little bit of a deficit from the last couple days. But you know, we're going to slowly get that back. So the account now is sitting at 150,955, guys. So, you know, we're almost back to that 151,000 mark. Let's even get one more trade under our belt. Phil is still available, 95, 96, 97. So if you missed that, guys, you definitely could have got back in, or got back out, I should say. 4 gains there, 4 gains. So, you know, no excuses there, potentially missing that, right? Double tap the screen, guys. Like that stream. A little 210-point scalp-a-roni there, guys. Nothing too major, but alright, guys, so one trade under our belt. A little bit of a broken trade. I mean, it did get back up to 15 points in profit after drawing down about 19 points. So, you know, not the best, not the worst, but a W nonetheless, guys. So let's see if we can catch one more trade potentially here, guys. ES is still the problem here. If we look at ES, guys, ES is still the problem. ES is still very weak and being pinned down. So, I mean, I think that's going to, like I said, I think that's going to kind of limit what we get here for NQ. But we'll see. RTY just was a slow drip. YM. Let me know, guys, if anybody has any questions here, guys. If anybody has any questions. I would say NQ and ES are the most important. They work in tandem. RTY, it's just important to kind of have an understanding if it has strength or weakness. If it has weakness, most likely we're not going to get a major trend day. The major trend days usually come when all the indices are in alignment. The Dow is kind of like the middle ground. Sometimes it can do its own thing. Yeah, JC, you have to realize that it's basically like a statistic that out of every like 15 trading days, you're only gonna get like 4 trend days. So you have to realize most of your trading, about 60 to 65% of your trading, if not more, will be in chop. So you just have to figure out the best way to deal with that, the best way to take entries within the chop, and just go from there. The orange is VWAP, guys. I use the 820 EMA and VWAP. Take what the market gives you, absolutely. And that's why, guys, even with this trade here, did we hit our target? No. But the trade also didn't go as planned. When the trade doesn't go as planned, you have to make adjustments. That means slightly different R to R, sure, right? But I know that we would hate is if our stop didn't get hit and then, you know, we could have had points, but then reversed, you know. So right now we would have been up 20 points from the entry, but again, it was better than securing, you know, 10, 11 points, right, somewhere in this region, and then protecting against that downside because the trade didn't work 100% per plan. And again, guys, we're trading on the Tradeify platform. This is a straight to funded platform, guys, meaning no evaluation process. No evaluation process at all. So you can start making money right away, guys. The code on the screen, StockDads, gets you that 40% off, guys. 40% off. ES is just a bit weak here, guys. What do you guys think, guys? Should we take some more trades or what? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. More trades or what? I want to get back over 151 today. That's my goal, but let me know what you guys think. Any more trades? Drop them in the chat below, guys. You're good with that win after yesterday. Yeah, you know, I'm not going to force another trade. If I see one, I'll take it. I'll see it. If I see one, I'll take it. It'll be that simple, guys. One more. People are saying one more. So we're going to look for another trade, guys. Let's look for another trade. One more NQ, someone says. Got you. Let's try to get one more, guys. Let's try to get one more here, guys. Again, guys, we're trading on the straight to funded accounts, guys. We're trading on the straight to funded accounts. No valuation, guys. So what I think I'm going to do is try to take another long. Try to like snipe a little long here. Let me know, guys, in the chat real quick, guys, before I enter the next trade. Are you guys okay if I enter a trade and it's like 6 point stop loss, 6 points take profit, like 7 point? Let me know. Let me know if you guys are okay with that. Like very small targets, but also very small risk. Let me know, guys, right in the chat. Right in the chat. Of course, nice. Good scalper, okay. You link the accounts, guys, at the top. I'll show you guys one more time. You and Isaac are the best future traders SC Discord. Appreciate that. Appreciate that, High Tide. If you say beforehand because of the delay, yes, I will try to do that, guys. I try to always announce everything ahead of time, guys. So real quickly, guys, I'm going to show you how to do it. I don't have another account yet. I'm going to open one, but I don't have one yet. So this is what you do. I'll show you, right? Go to the top where it shows your account, okay? Your account's up here. You're going to click this. If you have multiple accounts, it'll say Manage Group. It'll say Manage Group. From there, click on Manage Group, and then there'll be two different icons that pop up. So I'm going to walk you through it. So it'll say drag and drop between these lists, and then it'll show you the right-hand side. So you're going to name your group, whatever the group is, and then it'll show you what accounts are available. If you have 3 accounts, you'll simply drag them from each side. You'll drag them from each side. I can actually show you how it looks on the other screen. Hold on. So it's going to look like this. It's going to look like this, guys. So it'll show you this, drag and drop available, the name of the account, and then here. So I had like 2 accounts linked, for example, so then you can just drag them over, right? And that's all you do. That's all you do. It's that simple. Then it'll be good. Yeah, I'll try to say these guys ahead of time. I'll try to say them ahead of time with the stop loss and take profit. You have 3 now, sweet, SV. Sweet. Yeah, guys, I'm going to have, so I have 4 accounts total. I have some on one account, some on the other, and I'm going to get more to max it out. You're allowed to have up to 7, guys. You're allowed to have up to 7 at one time. In my opinion, if you can financially afford it, you might as well max it out. Where do you trade? What platform? Game On. It's called Tradeify. It's on the screen right here, tradeify.co. No evaluation process, straight to funded account, meaning that there's no eval tests, right? You don't have to worry about trying to pass tests, spending time and energy and money trying to pass, right? These are like super scalps that we could take, but I just don't want to get too ahead of myself. What's up, dog? Yeah. Yeah, I don't have... Ooh. Let's see if we can get this scalp going, guys. Yeah, I'm going to try to say these beforehand because I know there's a slight delay on the platforms, guys. I know there's a slight delay. All right, I'm going to set a long, guys, at 79. I'm going to set one long at 79. Setting the long at 79, guys. We're basically going to look for a 15-minute bounce over the 20. And then from there, it's going to be about like a 12-point stop, 12-point take profit or so. We're looking for that 15-minute, 20 EMA bounce, guys. NQ, yes. So again, guys, we're looking for the entry off of this 15-minute 20 there. It's not going to be like as tight of a scalp as we kind of said before. So something like this, even if it's like 20 points, something like that, roughly. The long is set at 79, guys. 79 is our entry. Let's see if we can get filled. The 5 minutes holding the 20. I'm just looking for a sweep below. Got about 2 points away. Still going to be patient. See if we can get our 79. If it just rallies, so be it. Well, we hit 81, so we got 2 points away, and now we bounced 13 points. Dang it. Let's see, guys. We're still going to see. Again, the 5-minute 20 is what held us up here. I was trying to be a little greedy, looking for that 15-minute, trying to get us a slightly better entry, but that 5-minute 20 is what held us up there, guys, and we bounced 10, 12, 13 points from there. Yeah, guys, this is NQ. Pretty unfortunate. Bouncing 15 points, 18 points off of that 81. I mean, let's see if we can come down and tag it maybe on a 2-minute. Let's see, maybe it might give us a re-entry. Let's see, it might give us an entry. Again, we're using about like 15, 20 point stop, 15, 20 point take profit or so. Let's see. The thing about futures, guys, is there's tons of entries to be had, so we don't want to rush, right? We don't want to rush. Let me know, guys, if anyone has any questions while we're sitting here waiting for potential entry, guys. Let me know. Can I only get in with 20K? I'm not trying to put my whole account in. No, you can get in with less, guys. If you open a Tradeify account or any type of funded account in general, you can start with less, guys. Tradeify.co is on the screen. You get a funded account right off the get-go, guys. No evaluation needed. That way you don't have to put in $20,000. All right, guys, we have filled at 79. Let's see if we can get a bounce here, guys. We're looking for a bounce here. Again, the stop loss will be under the level, guys. Basically risking the profit we had. ES is looking a bit weak, I will say. Payouts take 10 days, guys. Payouts take 10 days. All you have to do is take 10 trading days. ES is looking a bit shaky here. NQ is maybe potentially going to level. Again, if we get under the level, I'll cut the trade, guys. Then I'll probably just chalk it up to chop today, and then I'll kind of leave it be. Again, under the level, guys, we'll cut. We're at the level right now. Under this 8 EMA, it'll be cut, guys. Underneath the 20 EMA, I mean, it'll be cut. Yeah, it could be bouncing off the 5-minute 20, guys. That's why I want to give it a shot to do so, guys. That's why I want to give it a shot to do so. If we break back now underneath 59, I'll close the position and probably be done for the day, guys. Be down about $100 overall. Again, guys, back under 59, guys, and I will exit the position. All right. Oop, why did my stop trigger? All right, exit the position, guys. Lost 225 now in the day. So, you know, we basically got a 20-point stop loss there, 20-point take profit. The count is now sitting at 150.5. So we're down 200 on the day. Overall, guys, I don't think I want to press anymore, guys. I think that the market's just going to be choppy. We were able to get one winner, one loser. The winner, you know, I was basically risking the profit to get another like 20 points. I was basically risking like 400, make 400 to end up a nice green day, but that clearly was not the case today, guys. So I'll see if I can snag one more trade, but most likely it is not going to happen. I'm just probably going to chalk up the day to chop, and we're going to see what happens, guys. Yeah, this week has been tough, guys. It's been very challenging. Very challenging. Guys, let me know if anybody has any more last minute questions, guys. I'm likely gonna hop off soon. Let me know, guys, any last minute questions, guys. I'm gonna leave the market alone. ES really has let's just look at ES here, right? Let's just look at ES here. What did we do? Poked lower, poked higher, and a whole lot of nothing. Whole lot of nothing. All right, guys, I'm gonna probably be hopping off here, guys. I'm really not thinking there's gonna be much more left here, guys, for us today. So I'm gonna kind of protect this. You know, it's been a couple tough days, 3 red days in a row, which is pretty unusual for me. But the fact that we were able to kind of mitigate the risk, still be green on the account overall is really good. The next time you guys see me on stream tomorrow morning, I should have 3 accounts that will be linked together. So that should be pretty awesome, guys. That should be pretty awesome. But that being said, guys, I'm going to hop